This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing. All these things that we took for granted.
So we woke up late. We wanted to come to Kawasan Falls to do the canyoneering. We wanted to leave at 6:30 and get here at 7, but we woke up at 8:30. Now we're almost at the Kawasan Falls. Decided to stop on the way for 7-Eleven to have some coffee and some snacks. This is their iced coffee. This is pork bao. Sharing my food with her.
Alright, so we're on our way to the canyoneering now. We got 2 private guides just for me and Penny.
We're excited. So right now we're gonna go zip lining down to the falls.
This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing. We've lost the hugs with friends and people that we loved. All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing. We've lost dancing. If I can live through, we've lost dancing. This next 6 months, we've lost dancing. Day by day, we've lost dancing. If I can live through this, we've lost dancing. What comes next will be marvelous.
We're so hungry because the whole thing took 5 hours and it was kind of tiring.
Yeah, it was definitely physically demanding, but it was so fun. There was waterfalls, there was jumps, there was waterfall slides. If you come to the Philippines, like 100% you need to do the canyoneering. It's really, really worth it. The company that we went with was Nancy Allen, and they were great. They were really amazing. My 2 guides is Ernie and Carl. Highly recommended. If you come here, they were amazing. They were really nice. They made it an amazing experience for us. Go to Nancy Allen and ask for Ernie and Carl, and you'll have a great time.
So we just got back to Mobile from canyoneering. We stopped for some shakes. I got coconut shake and he got mango shake.
So now after these shakes, we're gonna drop off the scooter, grab our bags, and we're gonna head to the bus station and make our way to
this town called Bato. It's like a 1.5 hour drive there from here with the bus.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm.
So we just took a tuk-tuk from our Airbnb, Jollibee. It was the roughest ride of my life. My head is pounding. It was so loud and the vibration.
So the bus that we're taking, the bus station is actually like right in front of Jollibee. So we're just having a quick meal before we head to Bato, which is like near the port. Before we go to Dumaguete, we might be spending a night there. I'm not sure yet. Depends on the ferries and stuff.
Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die.
As it goes, things didn't go according to plan. Not getting on a bus tonight because there was no more ferries going to Dumaguete. The place we were gonna get stuck at had no hotels or hostels. This was the only hostel available, which is right across from the bus station. This is what it is. The room. It's a hostel, so shared bathroom and this private room. We're gonna go to bed early tonight. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up and we'll take a bus out early.
So we woke up this morning at like 8 and we planned to go to the bus station, but when we woke up we saw a notification on our phones that there's a typhoon that's going to be passing through the Philippines. So we had to change our plans. Right now it's like afternoon and we extended our stay and we're just editing our videos right now because we don't really have anything to do. It's raining and it's super windy and we're gonna try to leave tomorrow and hopefully we can. So right now, we're just having coffee at the hostel. We woke up at 7 a.m. this morning to catch the bus to go to the port and go to Siquijor. But when we came down for coffee, the host told us that all the ports are closed and none of the ferries are operating. We've been stuck in Mobile for 2 days. We're back at Panasama Beach because there's more restaurants and stores. It's just more convenient here for us, so we moved back here. We're back to our favorite restaurant called Mila's. We got lunch. Hot sea log and he got tocino log.
Riders on the storm. riders on the storm. Into this house we're born.
So this is our room for tonight.
Into this world with dawn.
It's really nice.
Like a dog without a bone and actor out on
The power's out right now
riders on the storm.
because there's a storm. Back at our favorite restaurant in Mobile, we got pork adobo, which we still haven't tried yet. It's still storming outside.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm.
This is why we're stuck here right now, and we cannot take a ferry to the next island. We've been stuck for 3 days in Mobile. Came out for coffee this morning. We went to a spot we really wanted to try that was by the beach. It was closed because the typhoon is still happening. The storm is still going on.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, looks
Wow. It's bomb.
Yeah, it looks so good. So we ended up coming to a different place. This place that we just saw on the way. And yeah, we're just waiting out the storm so that we can take the ferry.
It's good.
You don't sound sure.
Wait, I'm zoning out.
Thank you.
Love you.
Good morning. We just woke up. We're just having coffee right now. We're still stranded in Mobile. We've been here for 4 days now. We checked the weather this morning, and apparently the storm is clearing out tonight. So we're gonna stay here for one more night, and we're gonna leave early in the morning to continue our trip. Yeah, we're both really excited to see the rest of the Philippines because all we've seen up to date is this little town that we're in.
We're actually really excited to leave this place. Honestly, I'm getting sick of it. Like, I'm bored. We've basically done everything, and there's really not much more. And I guess everyone else here is also stranded from what we've seen so far. But hopefully tomorrow morning we'll be able to make it to Siquijor.
It's been really great here, but we're ready to see something new.
Riders on